Hey, great to see you here. Let's talk about something that actually makes your room feel alive. This is for the kind of person who's stopped nodding along to average sound and wants real presence. You've reached the phase where thin effects and quiet dialogue don't cut it anymore. You're ready for something that feels like stepping up, not just turning up. Before anything else, it makes sense to check the current price and availability, because gear like this tends to move fast once people realize what it brings to the table. You knew it was time to upgrade the moment you watched a movie and thought, why does this still feel flat? Maybe your old receiver did the job for a while, but once you truly feel this level of performance, there's no going back. Everything gets heavier, more confident. You stop chasing volume and start experiencing impact. The relief of leaving weaker gear behind is immediate. Dialogue becomes grounded. Explosions, or those deep musical notes, gain body and intention. Your system stops struggling and starts communicating. That's the difference this Denon brings. You hear layers instead of mush. You notice space instead of congestion. Picture yourself sinking into your favorite film. Those 4 8K HDMI inputs mean any source you connect, streaming stick, console, disc player, feeds through without compromise. The scene opens, and suddenly sound feels like it belongs around you. Music feels purposeful, not smeared. Games feel kinetic, every cue sharp and immersive. And this isn't just about specs, it's about how your senses react. Bluetooth streaming? That means your playlists fill the room instantly, with warmth and detail you didn't realize was missing until it was there. Don't wait on stock shifts or weird price swings. Setups like this don't stay quiet on the shelves, and you don't want to look back wishing you'd pulled the trigger sooner. If you're thinking, is this overkill? Let's flip that. Every time you consider something weaker, you'll catch yourself thinking about that fullness and clarity this brings. The fear of settling grows louder every time you hear how complete this setup feels. One surprise benefit: sudden quiet moments in movies feel more intentional. When the soundtrack drops, the silence itself has weight because the system isn't masking it with distortion. Owning a receiver like this changes how you feel about your space. You don't just hear content, you live it. You walk in and feel the difference before you even press play. Pride in ownership becomes this subtle, satisfying thing you don't even have to point out, others just notice it. Sound that feels intentional, dialogue that stays grounded, music that breathes every scene that feels fuller, setup confidence that lasts. Cons? It's not the simplest plug and ignore box, it rewards thoughtful speaker placement. At some point you stop circling options and choose what already resonates with you. Don't let this be one of those upgrades you push off and regret later. Check the price, grab what's available, and give your entertainment the foundation it deserves.